Hi, this is CF Rose. Today we are going to learn about UAE VAT filing. If you are a small businessman, this is very good video for you. You need to watch till the end. Here we will understand each and every step of VAT filing. So you will avoid VAT penalty and you need to file properly VAT return. So first of all, after login in Imara Tax Portal, you can see VAT tab and you need to click VAT tab, then My Filing VAT Return, then My Return. There will be a box Action and you need to click on File. So this VAT 201 return will be open. First of all, you need to read this basic instruction. After reading this basic instruction, you need to click I confirm, then start. Now your process of VAT return is started. This is very simple process. First of all, you need to fill according to your data your VAT form, and second step, you need to check out whatever information you fill in your form that is correct. If that is correct, then you need to click submit. So here we will understand what information we need to fill here. First information you need to fill here VAT on sale and all other outputs. Means first segment is related with the sale. And there is a second segment. Second segment is related with VAT on expenses and all other inputs. It includes your purchases also. So first of all, we need to understand supply of your goods or services. Regarding your business, you need to inform the standard rated supplies according to the boxes in box 1A, 1B or 1C. This is boxes box 1 is related with the standard rated supply. But there is a sub boxes 1A, 1B. This is related with the emirate. If your business is placed in more than one emirate, that time you need to inform accordingly. If your business is you can say if your business in one emirate, then you need to select one. This is not related with the customer. If you are suppose that if you are selling goods from Abu Dhabi to Dubai, so you don't need to uh, inform in Dubai box. You need to inform only Abu Dhabi box because your place of business is Abu Dhabi. Accordingly you need to fill. I hope it is clear. Further, regarding the adjustment, you can see the third column is adjustment. What the means of adjustment? If there is any sale, you didn't get any money from that sale, you need to inform accordingly. But you need to follow some condition. Means 6 months have been expired and you have made proper follow up, and definitely you have already paid the output liability. Then you can claim your bad debt as like adjustment. First of all, for before filling the information here, you need to prepare same replica in your Excel form so that it reduce your typo error. So in my case, in my client is regarding, you can see that there is Abu Dhabi shops also, Dubai shops, and Sharjah shops. That's why they are informing this type of uh, box 1A, box 1B, and 1C, because you know that this boxes is related with the Emirates. If in which Emirates you have the place of business, definitely you need to inform accordingly. Not there is irrelevant of place of customer. I hope it is clear. Accordingly, we will start here filing your VAT return. First of all, we need to fill the Abu Dhabi sale. I need to check here. Abu Dhabi sale is this one, 21644 2164000, and then involve VAT on that 108,200, 108,200. There is no any adjustment, that's why I filled 0. Further, regarding Dubai sale, there is also Dubai sale, means place of business in Dubai. Whatever sale is 700,000. So I need to mention accordingly 700,000. This information, for your understanding, this information will arise from our accounting software. That's why this is just replica and linking your accounting software. So I already mentioned the 700,000 and the VAT involved that 35,000. That adjustment is 0. We need to fill all boxes whether there is required to you have any information or not. If you don't have any information, you need to fill 0. Then you can access further. In Sharjah, there is a sale of 510,000. Accordingly, we need to mention here 510,000, and VAT involved that uh, 25,500, and adjustment is 0. Or further, there is a no any business place. Our client only 3 business place: Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Sharjah. So accordingly, we need to fill. And other Emirates, there is a zero supply. You can see in box 2, tax refund provided to the tourist. This is related with the tourists. It is irrelevant for my client, so I will skip that. Further, regarding box 3, supplies subject to reverse charge provision. Means here we need to mention if you are importing any service from outside UAE to UAE, that time you need to inform accordingly. In my scenario, that is 0. Move further, in box 4, zero rated supply. What do you mean the zero rated supply? Zero rated supply, as per UAE VAT law, there is some supplies that is covered under zero rated supply, as like education service, as like export of goods and service. And further, regarding the residential building, if you are transferring within 3 years after completion. So this type of example you can understand. According in my scenario, my client is exporting goods. Amount is 35,200. I need to fill accordingly. Further, regarding exempt supply, what do you mean the exempt supply? In UAE VAT law, you can understand some supply is related to the exempt, as like local transportation, that is exempt. Bare land supply, that is also exempt. If residential building is not following zero rated, that time it will cover in exempt supply. So here we need to mention in my client 0. Further, regarding goods import into the UAE, here we need to mention whatever import of goods in UAE, we need to mention in box 6. Regarding box 7, if there is a requirement of some adjustment. For your understanding, we take the example of re-export. If you are importing any goods for re-export, but they are not fulfill the condition of re-export, only just import, so you need to mention here, because if you are importing for re-export, that will not auto pop up in box 6, so you need to manually add in box 7. I hope it is clear. In my scenario, you can see that the goods imported in UAE this amount, and the adjustment goods imported into the UAE this amount. I hope it is clear for your understanding. Further, we will understand the VAT on expenses and all other inputs. In box 9, you need to fill whatever the VATable expenses, you need to fill accordingly. In my scenario, you need to see that to 2 million, you can say 2,700,000. 2,700,000. This is our VATable expenses. VAT involved on that 135,000. 135,000. Adjustment we need to fill 0. And in box 10, what we need to fill? In box 10, we need to fill import of service. Box 3, import of goods. Box 6, any adjustment required in box 7. Total of box 3, 6, and 7, that will need to be disclosed in box 10. So here 522,200. Accordingly, we need to fill the VAT amount 26,100. 26,100. This is important point, we already fill there. You can see there is we already fill the sales related information, expenses related information, we already fill. This is very simple. We need to fill accordingly, and you need to click next button, and then you need to watch over what the information is required that is coming. If there is all is okay, then you need to click on submit and file your VAT return. I hope all thing is clear. If you have any query, you can comment us, we will clarify that. Thank you for watching my video.